Hello class, this is a video tutorial on evaluating logarithms by change of base. When log laws can no longer be applied, or we want to shortcut questions, we can use our calculators. Now before we go on, we need to find the two log buttons that we need to use. Hopefully you can see it there, and there they are. These two buttons represent log base 10, that's this one here, and log base e, or log base of Euler's number. The shortened form of log base e is ln, which stands for logarithm of natural base. So you can test it out now. We know that 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. So if we take log of 1000 is equal to 3. If you type in e to the power of 5, you get 148.4131591, etc. Now if you take the ln of that value there, you should come up with 5.0000, 67, but close enough. So, however, since we only have log base 10 and log base e, we must utilize the change of base rule to evaluate logarithms of different bases. So here's the change of base rule. I know it looks kind of funny now, but it'll make sense when I do an example here. So log base a of x, we can change the base to whatever base we want, b, by taking log base b of the result divided by log base b of the previous base that we want. So for example, let's say we wanted to evaluate this. We could start doing logarithm laws to bring this down to 3 to the power of, 6 or whatever it is. But to make it a lot easier for us, we take log base 10 of this number on top, and we divide that by log base 10 of 3, which is the base of the question. So you can go ahead, type that into your calculator now. I'm going to do this one here with you. So log 729 over log 729. I see why. Try again. Log of 3. It should come up with 6. Much easier than using log laws. Right, so it's very straightforward. You can be we can use this for any logarithms that we want. So for example, I know this one here we can simplify to log 2 of 2 squared. Those two cancel, leaving us with 2. But let's be lazy and let's do change of base. For this, I like to use ln because it's a lot shorter to write than log of 10. I just make this as, so this is equal to ln of 4 over ln of the base. You can type this into the calculator. ln of 4 over ln of 2 gives us 2. Likewise with this, we can type in the whole thing. We just need to separate this, so this becomes 4 times ln of 125 over ln of 5. So 4 times ln of 125 over ln of 5. That becomes 12. It can be whatever numbers that we want. So for example, we can do this one here. This becomes ln of 0.34151 over ln of 0.5 over ln 0.5. That's equal to, there are more decimal places here, but they're so small. So let's just let's leave it at 1.55. You can check this by doing the base 0.5 to the power of the answer that we got. We should come back to the original value. Lastly here, this will become ln of 1000, or log, whichever you like, over ln of 6. 1000 over ln of 6. And this is equal to 3.8559291. Let's approximate this to 2 decimal places, 3.86. Obviously, if we do 6 to the power of 3.86, 6 to the power of 3.86, it goes a little bit over, but yeah, that's because we rounded off to 2 decimal places. Oh, hope that was a nice and simple concept to grasp with the change of base and evaluating logarithms using a calculator. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.